Is a sutra a condition of the prayer or an obligation? In Qiyaam, how far should the sutra be? And in Sujood, how far the sutra be?
No way that the sutra is a condition. Sutra is, some of the scholars recommended, but the correct opinion is obligatory. Obligatory, but it's not a condition. And the obligation of it, Prophet said, لا يصلين أحدكم إلا إلى sutra. No one to pray except to a sutra. Is basically something in front of the person who prays. The minimum height of it is a dhira'. Dhira' is 2 handspans. Dhira'. About that much, 50 centimeters. So if you put that in front of you, nothing less than that, and the distance between you and it, like this, yeah. The word I thought it was sutra.
No.
Is that going to be longest for sutra? Maybe the 2-liter bottle. Yeah, the mark is sutra. Right. So between you and the sutra. So your prostration comes in somehow between you and the sutra that is about, you leave that much gap. Just for a sheep to pass. So you're not really knocking the sutra, and you're not too far. Just that much. I'm not saying by centimeters here, just that much, which is mamarusha, meaning a passage for sheep in the hadith. Now, if you did not take a sutra, the problem is that you might expose your prayer to invalidation. So if you didn't have any sutra, and a person had passed between you and your prostration spot, women who are adult, or a donkey, or a black dog, your prayer is invalid. You have to do the prayer again. That's why, if you took the sutra, you're safe from that. That's the sutra, Wallahu ta'ala alam.